95/27 Grady white. You wouldn't know it looking at it. Brand new upholstery, May of 2026. Combing bolsters, everything on the exterior. The interior doesn't have any cushions currently. Engines are featured 2022. Twin Mercury 150 horsepower. Very nice shape. And they have the platinum warranty on it. Warranty is good till February 2027. So that gives you some time there. Bow cushions. Anchor windlass. The electronics are not brand new, but at the same time, they are not ancient. Looking at it, looks like probably that's a touchscreen model, so it's got to probably be within the last 5 to 7 years, I would imagine. Certainly usable. This is a really nice fishing machine, man. And it's all yours under 50 grand. You're not going to beat it. Grady White has the best reputation of walk around on the water. Those engines still shine. So does the seating.